So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin inside of your TFSA or your tax-free savings account here on Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, and actually if you haven't signed up for Wealthsimple, I'll just go ahead here and show you guys and give you guys my referral link. So the link's on the screen or it's down below in the description. If you sign up using this link, you get some free money, I get some free money, and you also get a chance to win a home as shown here, so that's pretty cool. But go to the bottom, press on the magnifying glass, then go to the top and press on search, and I want you to go ahead and type in the ticker symbol IBIT or IBIT, and then go ahead and select the iShares Bitcoin ETF. So you can't actually buy Bitcoin individually and put that in your account. You actually have to sign up for a Wealthsimple crypto account to do that, but this is pretty much the equivalent here. So if you want to invest inside your TFSA, bring up the IBIT or the Bitcoin ETF, go to the bottom left, press select on account, make sure that your TFSA or your tax-free savings account is selected, and then go to the bottom right and press on buy. On this page right here, you can type in the amount you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy one share, that's how much it'll cost. If you want a fractional buy, you can go ahead and type in the amount, and it'll show you how many shares. So if all looks good, go to the right and press on review. On this page right here, you can review the order or review the transaction, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom. In my case, press on Q or press on buy, and then proceed this way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Bitcoin inside of your tax-free savings account on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.